Well, I finished this worm rod. This is that old Bill Evans special. You can look them up. It's got a big butt that tapers down fast. It's a little heavy, but the spinnerbait rod, oh my God, and heavy worm rod, yes indeed. I'll put one of these fancy hounds on it. I'm gonna stick this dowel right here. This is a dowel. This is an older reel. Nothing wrong with it. It's a SM2A 5-to-1. Great spinnerbait rod. But if it'll fish spinnerbait, it'll fish a worm. The way I look at it, because spinnerbait's a whole different thing from saying you fishing spinners. You know what I mean? I got light rigs I fish spinners on. Now, that right there, y'all, that right there's a man. And it ain't too long, and we up in the thickets. It's almost too long, but not quite. And you watch the tip on this rod work, watch it. You take that rod and you hit it like that, watch it come back. You ain't gonna hurt it, you ain't gonna crack it and hit a limb. They like hollow glass, they take a beat and come back a ticket. That's Chico Lake stumper right there, buddy. You get up in the mud and the blood and the beer with that thing. We're gonna get there. I want to thank y'all for watching. We got another one of these we got to put together here shortly.